All right, next one. Swimwear fit problem. What's the next one? Okay. How can I go about swimwear when pregnant? Congrats. That should be exciting. There are so many, well, no, I'm not going to say so many, but there are definitely brands that cater to maternity. They'll show like one version of, regular and then someone that's pregnant. You can also, I want to say size up and then get it altered, but I'm just not sure how far along you are because of the bottom part. When it comes to a two-piece, it can be a bit restricting and I don't want to cause anything, so that's not going to be a 100 guarantee. But if you're like your first year second, I would definitely bring that to your attention and then just also check your doctor to make sure that nothing is too restricting, because I definitely don't want you to have any type of complications. Another solution is there is a thing called tankinis. So it's like a tank top essentially, but it's a bathing suit material, and that will definitely be very loose and relaxing on around your belly, especially if you are more far along in the months. And then the bottom portion is definitely more suitable for you as well. All right.